Meanwhile, investigators assigned to the Westmoreland Police Division are working around the clock to retrieve the gun used in the killing of a 6-year-old boy earlier this week. The accused teen, who is now in police custody, remains tight-lipped regarding how he acquired the weapon. The weapon used in Monday's fatal shooting incident was an illegal firearm. There are questions surrounding where it came from and how the accused teen came in possession of it. According to head of the Westmoreland Police Division, Superintendent Robert Gordon, the 15-year-old who is now in custody is not saying much.
Adults must be involved with that weapon not being retrieved. But we are going at it. We are interviewing other persons. We are in the community, we are on foot, we are talking, and we are pressing the parents that we need the weapon.
Superintendent Gordon believes the shooting could have been prevented.
Persons in the community would have indicated after the incident that they saw the bigger boy with the gun walking up and down within a bag before the incident, and nobody chose to call his parents or the police. No one. So it's like it's accepted. And there are communities in Jamaica, unfortunately, that accept these things.
On Tuesday, residents told our news center that the teen and the infant were arguing when explosions were heard. It was then they discovered the lifeless body of the 6-year-old. The police, however, have given a different account of what transpired.
There was no conflict. The 6-year-old and the 3-year-old, they were out there up and down making noise, as you hear one of the adults who were there. And she tell them to stop the knife. That boy, the elder one, was there with the gun, playing around with the gun. In his one word, he said to somebody that he was there with the gun, and he selected one in the breach, and when he was leaving the yard, the gun fire off, and he heard the little boy bawl and him run.
In commenting on the incident, children's advocate Dan Gordon Harrison says the lack of proper parental supervision is a major concern.
Where we have children who are, in situations that are vulnerable or have the potential to become vulnerable, then there is an issue, because we all know that we have a commitment to not only keep children safe, but to ensure that their environment is not something that will morph into what could be a challenge. And so if the reports are accurate, then there would be that need for concern.
The police say since the start of the year, a total of 17 minors have already been charged for a string of serious offenses in Westmoreland. They span from robbery with aggravation to shooting with intent.